Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 30th, and this is my recap of the top field videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis for the Euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So really, the Euro dollar went exactly as planned, man. We've been trading this thing awfully nice. I went short twice yesterday. I went long today, and then I went short again. So what a beautiful setup. Impulsive down wave A, 1, 2, 3 waves up, wave B. I think it's pretty clear we're going down for a wave C. Now we are at the 50%, which has obviously been a pretty significant area in the past, could be significant again. But at this point, I wouldn't be surprised if it did go down to the 61.8. But either level that it decides to respect, we definitely need to be able to recognize it if we get a nice impulsive move up, whether it happens at the 50 or the 61.8. When it does end this trend, which is the trend for the wave C, then I think that's going to be the end of a correction, probably the end of either a wave B or a wave 2, and then we should have a wave A, wave 1 over here, and go up for a wave C or a wave 3, just like I was explaining in this morning's video. Now we do have interest rate tomorrow for the US dollar, which luckily I will be live streaming for that interest rate news, so definitely make sure you stop in for tomorrow's live stream so we can watch the interest rate news together. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I take at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.